guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Also, check down below in the description where I will have some courses that are coming up for this summer, and also some other ways for you to support me, plus all of the equipment that I use to get these videos out to you, and the equipment that I use, the guitars that I have, the recording setup that I have, and all of that type of information. Feel free to shoot me an email anytime and I'll get right back to you. See you next time.